Okay, next you need to get somewhere up high. I've climbed to the top of the trim trail here. You could fly this off, you know, if you have a slope in your back garden, or maybe out of the top window in the house. If you're doing that, you need a parent nearby, and you need to stay safe. And you definitely don't lean out of the window, because that would be very dangerous. Anyway, once you're in your safe position, that's high up, you can fly. The best way to do that, I find, is get a hand on either side of your parachute, spread it out like that. If it's a windy day, even better, you might get some exciting flights. And then hold it so the pilot is down, and 3, 2, 1, off you go. Hi everyone, back inside now. I'm sure you've had fun making and flying your parachute. Just to finish off, can you find any plants or animals that use a similar idea to glide to the ground? Maybe you can find out on the internet, or at this time of year, I'm sure you'll find some of the plants out in the garden or on a walk that use a similar parachute idea. And just to finish off, can you find out about the forces that are working to help that parachute glide to the ground? Have fun everyone, thanks a lot.